Today we have to create a function that takes a list as an input. If the list consists one or two good IDs, we have to return publish. If there are even more than two good IDs, we have to return I smell a series. And if there are no good IDs at all, we have to return fill. Well, here we are. First of all, we have to iterate through the array, the list in Python. So for ID in X, and then print the IDs. As you can see, all the IDs are bad, but what we have to check for are good IDs. So if the ID is equal to good, then we have to do something. Of course, we have to use the double equal sign. We have to make sure that we check something off, like a counter. So let's create an empty variable. Counter is 0. If the list consists a good ID, then we should increase the counter by 1. So counter plus equal sign 1. After this little loop, we have to define a condition. So if the counter is still 0, in other words, if the list doesn't consist any good IDs, we have to return fill, this one. Then we have the second condition. If the counter is less than or equal to 2, then we should return this one, publish. In all the other cases, else, we should return, let's have a look here, a small series. There we go. Fill. What if we add a good to it? Then it should return publish. There we have it. If we add another good and even a third one, then it should return I smell series. And it does. Let's test it out. Works like a charm. Hope this video has been useful and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.